Thank you. It is with the deepest gratitude and appreciation that I honor this space. I trust that we are all in the right time and space as we flow together in harmony with nature and all that connects us. I'm grateful for this real talk, that I can speak my truth with my singing bowls and new creations and share from this place of love, releasing any fears and judgments along the way, and greeting it by saying, Namaste. Light in me sees the light in all. I recently welcomed this ukulele into my repertoire, and it has been a grounding practice for myself, and this is the first time that I am introducing it to our real talk conversations and recordings. And full transparency, I'm teaching myself how to play and did not tune the chords prior to this recording, partially because that's what makes this sound so unique. It is the original sound since I have purchased this beautiful instrument about a month ago, and I have yet to tune it since. So this is the tones that have been created through playing and not tuning it over the past some time. And just coming back to this beautiful moment, this present gift. I'm so grateful for the birds I hear chirping in the background and the wind rustling the branches of the trees. Inviting ourselves to notice the elements in our environments, the air we breathe, inhaling universal life force energy in through our crown chakra, filling our containers with this compassionate love, and exhaling and releasing it back into the rhythms and cycles of this divine destiny. Perhaps we also notice the water. Most of our body is comprised of water, and sound travels through this waterline system. If you've ever had the pleasure of experiencing the Tibetan tone singing bowls placed on the body and played, you might notice the vibrations traveling through your water systems, creating natural flow in your body and releasing any stagnation. It is truly a gift that I am honored to share. Perhaps we also notice the fire element within us all, that light, that spark. Perhaps you need it when you do something that feels exciting and in alignment with your passions. May these be clues that bring us deeper to our purpose. And the earth, where we ground ourselves and root into the underworld that's beneath it all. Honoring all of the lessons and taking a moment to notice that, similar to trees, our root systems are interconnected. And when we come to this practice, we're able to nourish each other's root systems and send loving energy to all that are open and ready to receive. And ether, the magic that started it all and connects it infinitely. I'm grateful for the magic of the elements enlightening us as we expand on our explorations together. One of my favorite stickers that I came across says that introverts unite separately. And although we may feel as though we lean towards one or the other, introvert or extrovert, the light and shadow are in both. We embody all archetypes. It's just a matter of which feel more predominant in the situations that we find ourselves in. So embracing the introvert in each of us, may we unite separately. I trust that we may not consciously know each other right now, but I feel our interconnected energy systems as I look out the window and see the trees beyond all that I can see, imagining with my third eye, seeing this co-connected creation that we're here to continue creating together. Sitting with my feet planted on my grounding mat, I feel connected to the earth and all of the elements, embracing it all, honoring the magic. Let us now tune in to our sensory experiences, from what we feel, the sensation on our skin, the texture, the temperature, the weight. What do we feel with our tactile senses? The strings on an instrument that awaken the sound with our auditory senses, yet also honoring the vibrations that we feel through our tactile awareness. May we notice the sounds in our environment. Honoring this interconnected symphony of sound as we slide into the senses that awaken our souls. From what we can see to what we can smell, and perhaps what we can taste. Is it possible to taste nothing? Is nothing a taste? Reflecting on the senses, honoring all that they are communicating to us. Our body is a vessel, and we are spirit having a divine human experience. Honoring the elements and senses that awaken us to it all. May we connect and honor the journey. this divine ukulele, O Luna instrument, let your light shine. I'm so grateful for this sacred ukulele. I hope that you can imagine a beautiful miniature guitar with its own category of ukulele, with beautiful inscriptions of leaves and iguanas on the body of the guitar, and the phases of the moon inscripted in a beautiful white silver material on the neck between the strings. And at the very top, it says Luna. May we embrace the spirit animal of iguana as we continue our journeys, so we can adapt and flow in a way that keeps us safe and in sacred alignment with our soul's purpose here. I trust that we are all here for a reason, and may we continue exploring in alignment with our enlightenment. Thank you to the Sonic Wellness Institute for providing me with these sacred Tibetan tones, singing bowls, hand hammered with love and sacred rituals in Nepal. Blessings, blessings, blessings. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Until we meet again. Namaste.